It's wonderful to be with all of you today. My name is Danielle Wood, and I represent a student who's on my way into NASA, I hope, one day. I study at MIT, as we've discussed, and I'm currently pursuing a doctoral degree there. So MIT has given me a strong technical core. My focus is in the area of satellite design, especially with system-level thinking, as well as in areas like optimization and design. I'm also trained in policy as well as management issues. And NASA has helped me develop professionally over the years. I've had many formative experiences with NASA. I started off as an intern at Kennedy Space Center as a high school student, and similar to the stories we've heard, I think really a night launch that I was able to see helped me really confirm I wanted to work in the aerospace industry. Later, in an internship at NASA Goddard, I really was able to understand how Washington and NASA interact more clearly, and it gave me the desire to study graduate school and to focus a little bit on policy to understand the impact of Congress on all our work. And I've continued with really wonderful role models in NASA who helped me understand how NASA's work really affects the whole world. And I'm also very interested in issues of international development. And some of the mentors that I met at NASA helped me see how I could use my training in engineering to think about needs throughout the world. I've done a lot of international travel throughout my years, and I've been very grateful to be able to experience life in Africa, in parts of Asia, in Europe, and to understand new languages and new cultures better. And I think that's really shaped my personal values. So all of those things are combined together as I think about my future. So I'd like to bring a perspective. I appreciated the term you used about paradigm shift. Another important paradigm shift that's facing NASA and really the whole world is how the global space community is changing. Many new players are going to be coming in. So during my career over the next 30 years, the way that we think about who is in space, who's creating space technology, who's innovating is definitely going to change. Over the last year, I've had a chance to visit new space agencies in Nigeria, in South Africa, in the UAE, in Malaysia, in Thailand, and Korea. They are all players that are eager to be contributing. And even though now we see limited budgets and limited numbers of opportunities, the future is going to look different. And so I'm hoping that I can bring the unique training that I have to continue to build my technical core by partnering and learning with NASA and NASA partners, but to also continue to use these unique values to help NASA embrace this new reality in the future. So I'm excited that I have a chance to bring a sort of a non-traditional set of training, but it also brings challenges with it, because in a way it's hard for me to find exactly where to connect with NASA since I don't have a traditional training. But in the meantime, I'm thankful for the individuals, including Dr. Hoffman and the APPEL team, who are seeing me and see the potential that I have, and are willing to help me find non-traditional ways to be involved. So even now, I'm volunteering as an intern at NASA headquarters and NASA Goddard. I'm able to come part-time and contribute even when I'm based in Boston. And so despite sort of institutional barriers, I'm definitely able to be part of the NASA family. So I'm very thankful for the experiences I'm having in this phase of my career and for the mentors who are supporting me. I also want to mention the idea that we've heard throughout the week, a major issue of the very real challenge of political instability that influences the ability to get projects done and programs. One of the main areas of my PhD program is just the reality of uncertainty. The engineers, we'd like to have a set of clear requirements and sort of a idea that we're going to design exactly to this point and everything should be focused on that. But in reality, the world is stochastic. It's uncertain, and we have to sort of embrace that. And rather than focusing on how we can best optimize point designs, our academic community is trying to think with you all about how we can create options for ourselves, kind of work more on scenarios so we can figure out ways to be ready for sort of 3 or 4 possible outcomes, all of which may actually happen. And so I hope that we can continue to work with academics as well as with practitioners to refine these ideas and these methods. And that's also part of my unique training, is that we are realizing that old kind of approaches may not be robust in the uncertain and politically challenging times that we face. So thank you all for giving me a chance to be with you this week. And I want to continue to contribute with NASA and to be a part of the NASA family in the future. Thank you.